Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to install multiple Windows versions on one PC. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. I will create a new VHD hard drive by clicking Action, then Create VHD. I will browse for the location to save the file. I will save it in Drive C and name it Windows 10. I will set the storage capacity for this hard drive to 40 GB. Click OK to create the VHD file. After creating the VHD file, you can check it again in the location where you created it. You can see here that I already have the VHD file. Now, right-click on the VHD drive and select Initialize Disk. Now, right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. I will assign it the drive letter W. I will name it after the Windows version I am installing. That's the VHD creation step finished. Now I will check Drive W. Drive W is ready. Now I need to install Windows on it. Right-click on the Windows ISO file and select Mount. Open Sources folder. Copy the destination of the Sources folder. Now, open Command Prompt as administrator. Now, I will access the Sources folder. I will check the installable Windows versions using the command on the screen. You can see the indices to choose which Windows version to install. I will choose the Pro Edition, with the index for the Pro version being 6. Now, I will install Windows onto Drive W. Enter the command shown on the screen. So, I have successfully installed Windows on Drive W. I will open Drive W to check it. You can see that Drive W already contains the Windows folders. Now, I will create the boot files for the Windows installation on Drive W. So, I have successfully created the boot files. Now I will restart the computer and boot into the newly installed Windows. I will select the Windows version I just installed right at the first option. So, I have successfully entered Windows. Now I will return to the original Windows to see if it can still boot. I will choose the original Windows version. So I have successfully booted. Next, I will guide you on how to delete that other Windows boot. Type msconfig. Boot. You can see that it displays the bootable Windows options. Here, I will delete the newly installed Windows, and it will disappear. Now when I restart, I will boot straight into this Windows version without having to choose anymore. If you want to recreate the boot, just open the VHD file again and use the bcd boot command. You can see that I went straight into Windows. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.